Welcome everybody. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your own sound in TikTok. Now let's get right into it. As you can see, I'm on TikTok, but the way to make your own sound is by you recording or creating an MP4 file that has the sound you want to add to TikTok as its audio. So it can't be an MP3 or just the audio, it has to be the audio and a clip, so an MP4 file. What you want to do is get one of your screen recording apps or features of your phone. Like I'm using the current inbuilt screen recorder of my phone, as you can see in the top right. I'm currently using that. Now there is an app called AZ Screen Recorder in the App Store and Google Play Store that you can use to record your screen and on-device audio. So what you can then do, once you have that, you can go to YouTube, for example, and get yourself the music you want to add as your background noise or background sound. There you go. Click the video, and you then want to record that video. If you have the clip ready to go as an MP4 file, that's very important. You want to go back to your TikTok account, then click the upload button in the bottom center. Now what you want to do is upload on the bottom right the clip that you have the sound attached to. Click next. Click next. You don't want to change anything. Now description, nothing needed there, but who can view this video has to be set to everyone. Now that's fine for me. Now click post. It has to be public. Now you will post this video, and once it's posted, you'll be then able to use it as your own sound. There you go. It's been uploaded. What you now need to go to is your profile in the bottom right. Click the newly uploaded video. And as you can see, the sound is in the bottom right. It's this turning music icon. So click that, which will open up original sound. You can then add it to your favorites by clicking it. And as you can see, no video is under this sound yet, but what you can do is click use the sound in the bottom center, and you can now make a TikTok using your own sound in 2021. You can also see at the top it said 12 seconds, so the sound length is only 12 seconds, so that's the maximum you can make a TikTok for using this sound. Now, that's how to make your own sound in TikTok. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Bye.